Welcome back viewers to Dr. Polish, where we are diving into the world of caring for dogs with hearing loss. In this video, we'll discuss the challenges and techniques for training and communicating effectively with dogs with hearing loss. It's important to understand that just like humans, dogs can adapt and thrive even with sensory impairments. Training deaf dogs. Training deaf dogs can be a rewarding experience, but it requires a unique approach. According to the American Kennel Club, visual cues are crucial for training deaf dogs. These cues can include hand signals, body language, and even blinking lights. The key is to keep training positive and enjoyable for your furry friend. Visual cues provide a bridge of communication, and it's essential to start with establishing a strong bond and trust with your dog. Before diving into explicit training, spend time with your dog, engage in play, and ensure they feel comfortable and secure around you. Positive reinforcement is a powerful tool when training deaf dogs. A study published in the journal Animal Cognition found that dogs respond well to positive reinforcement techniques like food rewards and affection. When your dog responds correctly to a command or cue, use treats or affection to reinforce the behavior. This not only motivates the dog, but also strengthens your bond. One of the first commands to teach a deaf dog is a recall command. Choose a visual cue that is easy to remember and distinguish from other cues. For example, a hand wave could signify come. When your dog responds to this visual cue, make eye contact, maintain a happy facial expression, and shower them with praise and affection. Visual cues can be further enhanced by introducing additional sensory signals. Vibrating collars, paired with visual cues, can help train dogs to respond to specific commands. Remember, patience and consistency are key components of effective training. Every dog is different, and it may take time for them to grasp these visual cues. So be patient and keep the training sessions short and enjoyable. Disciplining deaf dogs. Disciplining deaf dogs can indeed be more challenging than disciplining dogs with full sensory capabilities. Miscommunication can lead to negative consequences and damage the trust and bond between the dog and the owner. Here, we'll delve deeper into effective discipline strategies for deaf dogs. First and foremost, it's crucial to appreciate that disciplining a deaf dog is about guiding them and communicating boundaries, not about instilling fear. Dogs, just like humans, need to understand what is expected of them and what behaviors are unacceptable. With this in mind, let's explore some key principles and techniques for disciplining deaf dogs. Clear and distinct visual cues. The foundation of disciplining a deaf dog is using clear and distinct visual cues. Start with a simple sign for no that you can consistently use. This sign should be quickly executed with one hand, accompanied by an assertive facial expression. The key is repetition and consistency. Every time the dog engages in unwanted behavior, use the same visual cue. Reinforcement of positive behavior. The saying, "catch them being good," holds true for disciplining deaf dogs. Just as in the training phase, positive reinforcement is incredibly effective when it comes to discipline. When your deaf dog exhibits desirable behavior, such as obeying a command or showing restraint, use treats or affection to reward them. This reinforces their understanding of what you expect. Redirecting attention. When you catch your deaf dog in the act of undesirable behavior, it is often more effective to redirect their attention rather than using stern discipline. For example, if they are chewing on furniture, provide them with a suitable chew toy and praise them when they engage with it. This way, they learn that good behavior is more rewarding. Consistency is key. Consistency is perhaps the most vital element of disciplining deaf dogs. Ensure that all family members or caregivers use the same visual cues and commands. Dogs thrive in a structured environment, and consistency fosters understanding. Avoid physical corrections. It is essential to stress that physical corrections or harsh punishments are not effective with deaf dogs. Research published in the Journal of Veterinary Behavior indicates that physical corrections can lead to anxiety and fear in dogs, damaging the relationship between the dog and owner. Instead, Focus on gentle guidance and clear communication through visual cues. Positive reaffirmation. After providing the no cue and redirecting their attention, it is important to reaffirm your bond with your deaf dog. Spend a few moments engaging in an activity they enjoy or offer them affection. This reassures that they are loved even when they make mistakes. In conclusion, caring for dogs with hearing loss involves training and communicating through visual cues, consistent body language, and positive reinforcement techniques. Before specific training, build a strong bond with your dog. Training deaf dogs is a journey that requires patience, understanding, and a positive atmosphere. When disciplining, use clear, distinct visual cues and avoid harsh punishments, focusing instead on guiding and communicating effectively. Your love and care will make a world of difference for your four-legged friend, and they'll show you just how capable they are of adapting to life with sensory impairments. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more informative content. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever we drop new content. Take care and keep those tails wagging.